Today I'm here to introduce our latest product, the replacement pickup handle suitable for Truckman canopies. This part is compatible with all canopies with the serial number beginning with M1. This can be found on the sticker on the inside of the canopy. None of these canopies have central locking and they are all fitted with windows down the side of the canopy. You might need to replace your canopy handle because one of the components within the mechanism has failed, or perhaps you have lost the keys. The handles from the original manufacturer may have long lead times, which isn't ideal if you're storing tools or any valuables in the back of your pickup truck. The handles themselves can also be pricey. And the same goes for Automotive locksmiths. Install the X8R handle for a cost-effective fix. Our handle is made from high-quality components and is made to look just like the real OEM handle. In this kit, you will receive the double-sided handle. This side is for the exterior. This is the interior handle, as well as 2 keys. The packaging also comes with a handy QR code which you can scan to access our downloadable instruction guide.